Number 4. You are never too busy to take care of your health. So let's start with a superfood that is so tiny yet so powerful that just a spoonful of it can keep you full for hours. Guess what? It's chia seeds. Now, before you think of them as just another grain, let me tell you, they are like the superheroes of the plant kingdom. Just like how a superhero has a secret lair, chia seeds have a secret superpower. What is it? Well, not only does it help in weight loss, but it also gives you long-lasting energy. Yes, you heard it right. Let's first understand what chia seeds are. Chia seeds are tiny, but they are packed with nutrients. They're like little capsules of energy and fiber, and when you eat them, they absorb the liquid around them and expand in your stomach, giving you a feeling of fullness. This means you won't feel hungry for a long time. And we all know that when we feel hungry, we tend to grab whatever food we see near us. But with chia seeds, you stay full. You stay on track. It's like having a personal diet coach in your stomach. But that's not all. Chia seeds have something called fiber, which is like a best friend for your digestion. Fiber keeps things moving smoothly in your gut. And let's not forget about those good fats. They're like the fuel your body needs to stay active and keep your skin glowing. And guess what? These little seeds are also full of protein. Protein is essential for repairing your tissues and keeping your muscles strong. Whether you're an athlete or just someone who wants to feel their best, chia seeds have got you covered. So how can chia seeds help you lose weight? Chia seeds are like a weight loss superhero. Let me explain. When you eat chia seeds, they do a magic trick in your tummy. They absorb water and expand, making you feel full, so you won't feel like snacking between meals. Plus, they're like little energy boosters that keep you active and prevent you from feeling tired or sluggish. And here's a bonus. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which helps with digestion and makes you feel great. No wonder people who eat chia seeds often have healthy weight and lots of energy. Now, you might be wondering, how can I add these amazing chia seeds to my meals? Well, let me share a simple chia seeds recipe that's not only delicious, but also super easy to make. You will need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and sweetener of your choice. Now, in a bowl, combine all these ingredients and mix well. Then pour this mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. And there you have it. A nutritious and tasty drink that's perfect for breakfast or a mid-morning snack. Chia seeds are like tiny nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with essential nutrients that our bodies need to function at their best. One of the key benefits of chia seeds is their high fiber content. Fiber is an important nutrient that helps with digestion and makes us feel full, keeping us satisfied for longer periods. Chia seeds also contain healthy fats, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin, protecting organs and regulating body temperature. These fats also provide a sense of fullness, aiding in weight management. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to increase their protein intake. The protein in chia seeds helps in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and supporting a healthy immune system. Moreover, chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. They contain compounds such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and flavonoids, which have been associated with various health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced risk of chronic diseases. So how can you incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine? One popular method is by making chia seed pudding. To make chia seed pudding, you can simply soak chia seeds in milk or milk alternative overnight. The result will be a creamy pudding that can be enjoyed as a breakfast. Chia seed pudding is not only delicious, but also keeps you full and satisfied, helping you manage your hunger and support your weight loss goals. Remember, it's important to choose whole, unprocessed foods like chia seeds to nourish your body and support your overall health and well-being. So why not give chia seeds a try and experience the benefits for yourself? Don't wait any longer. Start today and see the amazing benefits for yourself. Your body will love you for it.